Good afternoon. This video will show you how to log in into the webinar. So once you get the link through your Gmail account, please click on the link. So that will lead to this particular page, which we can see it as Vigo meeting Kraken, and you can also see the name of the webinar, that is Art of Influencing. So once you got this page, just type your name. Make sure that you type your complete name. So as of now, for the time being, I'm going to type the name as NCMS and click on this start button. Once you click on this start button, the page will be led to the webinar page. So just wait for a few seconds. It takes time to get loaded. So once it gets loaded, it will ask you for two different options. How would you like to join the audio? You have two different options. One is microphone, the other one is listen only. So make sure that you click on the microphone option so that you will be able to hear the resource person voice, and if you have any queries, you can also communicate with them. But when you just click on listen only, you will be able to just listen the talk of the resource person, but you will not be able to communicate with the resource person. So ensure that if you have any doubts to be asked to the resource person, you click on this microphone. So once I click on this microphone, it will ask you, you will get a pop-up message to provide a permission. Just click on that allow, and then it just gives you connecting to echo test. And once you get this, you will have an option, click this yes. So this is your webinar page. So here you can see this is where the resource person will share their PPT and start explaining the contents. And here you can see the list of participants who are the part of this webinar. So if you have any queries to be asked, so you can type, here is a public chat. You can just type your questions and then click on this. So the queries will be submitted so that the resource person will be able to see this query and answer your query. And very important thing is you make sure that you are going to log in the page either using the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So this is not a mobile based application, it's a web browser application. So once you are into this, see, you have an option called as unmute. If you would like to talk to a resource person, ask your question, just click on this unmute. So you'll be able to communicate with the resource person. Once you have completed asking the question, and again, make sure that you click this so that you unmute yourselves, though there is no disturbance during the session. And if you would like to full screen this, you have an option called as a full screen mode here. Just click on this. Once you click on this, you will be able to see the complete contents which has been sent from the presented by the resource person. So if you just press the escape button, you will come out of the full screen mode. So this is how your webinar page works like. And if you would like to sign out, just click on this and say you have log out here. So once you click on this logout, so you'll be out of the session. Thank you.